Okay, so we're solving differential equations here, and so that means there's a function y, typically in this one it's u, and they've taken its derivative, and we must work backwards and figure out what the original function was, or get as close as we can. So if the derivative is minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, our original function would be, let's see, power goes up by 1, then divide by the new power. So negative 3 divided by 3 gives negative 1. That would be our first term. Next term, power increases by 1. Divide by the new power. Here we have x to the 0, so increase the power by 1, and you just get x to the 1. Divide by 1, which doesn't change anything. So that's our original function, mostly. Don't forget your c. b we cannot do, because we haven't discussed the antiderivative of a variable to the minus 1 power. It turns out the antiderivative of that is 3 times natural log z, but because we haven't discussed that, I'm just going to skip over that one. Here, trig functions, so this is a search your memory thing. Which function has secant squared as its derivative? This is actually a perfect match for one of them. It's tangent x. So your original function must have been tangent x plus c. And finally, here our function is going to be u, and the independent variable is y. This term is polynomial, so you have y to the 1, increase the power to 2, divide by the new power, so you get 1 half y squared. Next term is negative cosine. Let's see, the derivative of sine is cosine, so the derivative of negative sine would be negative cosine. This must be minus sine y. And, as usual, plus c.